I wanna stop and say, I gotta get it off my chest. Got no anger.